welcome back to my channel. I don't think I've ever started a vlog in my bathroom, getting ready to clean the bathroom. Because one, I'm not the one who usually cleans the bathroom, that's usually within my partner's tasks. And two, I never really shown cleaning the bathroom, I don't know. But today is a big day because we've been gone on holiday on and off for the past 6-7 weeks. And so we haven't had time to properly clean the bathroom. And today that's what I decided to do. I'm gonna take on these tasks because I wanna make sure that it's perfect. I'm also gonna do some organizational bits. I bought some stuff off Amazon. And I have to tell you the real truth, which is that our bathroom right at this moment is nasty. Is dirty, like proper dirty. And that's why I wanna make sure that I give it a good clean so that I can take a shower in a clean bathroom again and find peace and relaxation whenever I come in. I don't like ugly old bathrooms. Our bathroom is not like amazing, it's not designed or anything, but we made it pretty, our way. And so I want to make sure that we keep it pretty. And that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do a lot of cleaning. I'm gonna show you my tools and we'll start. This is everything that I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna use the Bing stuff for the grout and the mold that is creeping up here and there. I got some gloves. I've got this tool that helps me really dig into the grout, and then I have some bleach as well for everything else. I need to tie my hair. Also apologize for the fact that I have a cold and my throat is killing me, so that's why my voice sounds like this. But let's take everything out of the bathroom, give all the surfaces a good wipe, and start working the grout.
That you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. Whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like me, and I'm like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Held underwater, fine for it. Breathing.
I'm done for the evening and it looks so much better already. I'll do the final look tomorrow, but I've redecorated this, which I love, full of plants. It's currently raining and it's a very nice sound. The bathroom is clean, squeaky clean. If you remember, this wall was black, it was moldy. Same with like the grout over there. And I've also prepared the sticky things for the storage organizers. Hopefully they're gonna go on tomorrow fine. I also have one here for the toothpaste. And I've done this one as well. And it looks so clean, so nice. I have a tiny bit more to do tomorrow. I bought a new painting to go over there. And then we will have the final reveal.